Manufacturers face constant challenges managing information. Misplaced documents, delays in invoice approvals, outdated blueprints, and compliance errors can disrupt workflows and slow production, turning lost time into lost revenue. Welcome to DocsVault, a document management software designed for the manufacturing sector. End the search chaos. DocsVault makes information easy to find and use, saving time and improving productivity. Leverage AI-powered extraction and capture to automate document processing. Extract key data from invoices, forms, and records effortlessly. Protect sensitive information with advanced security features. DocsVault's fine-grained security ensures only authorized users access sensitive documents. With an audit trail feature, track every action taken by users seamlessly. Create document-centric workflows without programming to save time and reduce manual errors. DocsVault's powerful workflow automation tools simplify tasks, notifications, and approvals. Collaborate effectively and manage document versions effortlessly. Document management software provides a central repository for sharing, commenting, and tracking changes, ensuring everyone works on the latest information. Stay ahead of regulations with DocsVault. Simplify compliance tracking and documentation to meet industry standards effortlessly. DocsVault empowers manufacturers with improved efficiency, enhanced security, seamless automation, and simplified compliance. Manufacturers worldwide are transforming their processes with document management. Take Viant Medical, an ISO-certified manufacturer specializing in medical components and medical devices. For example, they reduced document approval times by 50%, cut costs by 30%, and became 100% audit-ready. It's time to streamline your manufacturing processes. Start with DocsVault today.